exercise 1.1 NCERT class 9. Question number 1. Go through the question. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Second part, can you write it in the form P by Q where P and Q are integer and Q not equal to 0? So I have written it 0 equals to 0 upon 1 where P is 0, Q is 1 and Q, which is 1, is not equal to 0. Therefore it can be written in the form P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. So I have explained the question number 1. Now I will move on to question number 2. So now I am going to explain question number 2. We want to find out 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So what is the process? Process is go on adding these two numbers and divide them by 2. So we have added 3 plus 4 upon 2. We are getting 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is more than 3 and less than 4. This process will continue till we get as many numbers we want. But here we need 6 numbers. Next thing what we did is we have added 3 plus 7 by 2 and divide them by 2. Then add these two numbers, divide them by 2. Then the last number is 4. So here we have got two numbers simplified, 3, 13 by 4, 15 by 4, 4. Up to this we have got only two numbers lying between 3 and 4. We have to still get 4 more numbers. So what to do? The process will remain same. Now add these two, divide them by 2, add these two, divide them by 2, add these two, divide them by 2. So we will get 3 more numbers. 3 plus 2 means 5 numbers. So we already have got 5 numbers. Now we need 1 more number. So how to get 1 more number? Either you add these two, divide by 2, any of these. Out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, किसी भी 2 नंबर को ले लें आप, उसको 2 से डिवाइड करके और जिन 2 नंबर को लिया उसके इन बिटवीन डाल देना है उसको. अब इसमें कोई भी नंबर लिखते हैं. लेट्स से हमने लिया 3 और 25 by 8 को, तो 3 तो पहले आ ही गया. 3 इज द फर्स्ट नंबर. I am taking these two numbers. So 3 plus 25 by 8 divided by 2. Rest number जैसे कंटिन्यू रहेगा. 13 by 4, 28 by 8, 15 by 4, 31 by 8, 4. Now simplify this. 24 plus 25, 29. Check once. I will written all the numbers correctly. 3, then we written 29 by 16. So we missed out this 25 by 8. So place it here. 25 by 8. Place it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 numbers lying in between 3 and 4. और वैसे एक्चुअल में देखा जाए तो किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में इनफाइनाइट मेनी रैशनल नंबर्स आर देयर. किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स, रैशनल एज वेल एज इरेशनल नंबर हम निकाल सकते हैं वैसे। तो दिस प्रोसेस कैन कंटिन्यू फॉर एवर, इट डिपेंड्स हाउ मेनी नंबर्स वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट। So here now I have completed the question number 2. So this we are given with 3 and 4. These are two numbers. Now we want to find out two more rational numbers between these two given numbers. तो क्या रूल है इसका? We will add these two numbers and divide them by 2. Means we will take the average of these two numbers, which will be 3 plus 4 upon 2. Put comma here. So we have already found out one number in between 3 and 4, which is 7 by 2. I am not changing into the decimal form. Now we have to find one more rational number between 3 and 4. Again, now either you add these two and divide them by 2, or add these two, divide them by 2. We have to get only one number. So out of these two options, you can opt for any one. So what we are getting is 13 upon 4. So finally this number is lying in between 3 and 7 by 2. The final outcome is 3 comma 13 by 4 comma 7 by 2 comma 4, and therefore we got these two numbers. Now next question number 3. Again we need to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो मैंने मेथड यूज किया था उसको करके भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इसको मैं और सिंपल तरीके से करता हूँ. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, one number is 3 upon 5 at one end, at another end we have 4 upon 5. Now multiply this number, numerator as well as denominator. Let's say by 10 upon 10. In fact, we are multiplying this by 1. And any number multiplied by 1 is a number itself. Therefore, we can do this. So it's mathematically correct. Same thing we are doing here. What we are getting? We are getting 30 upon 50, and here we are getting 40 upon 50. Now look, we want to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Now since denominator is equal, in numerator we have 30 here and 40 here. So go on taking larger number like 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. As many we need. Here we need only 5 numbers. Therefore I have taken only 5 numbers and divide them by 50. All these 5 numbers are greater than 30 upon 50. 30 upon 50 simply means 3 upon 5. And all these 5 numbers is less than 40 upon 50, which means 4 upon 5. Therefore, these 5 numbers lie between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. तो जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था उसको भी इस तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसको भी आप इंटू करके इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. इसमें हर एक बच्चे का आंसर डिफरेंट आ सकता है. क्यों? कारण यह है कि हर एक दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में इनफाइनाइट, अनंत, इनफाइनाइट, काउंटलेस नंबर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है. तो हर एक बच्चे का आंसर इसमें डिफरेंट भी आ सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर हर एक का सही हो सकता है. नाउ आई मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. First is every natural number is a whole number. In the last video I have already explained every natural number is a whole number. Yes, it is true. First one is true. Second, every integer is a whole number. No, it is false. I have explained this concept in the last video. Every rational number is a whole number. No, false. Of course, every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. For example, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 9, there are so many numbers which are rational but not whole numbers. And this finishes exercise 1.1. So we will continue exercise 1.2 in the next session.